Hi, have you ever felt like kahit na gaano ka kasipag, para bang may paulit-ulit na cycle na hindi mabago-bago? For years, akala ko enough na yung strategies at hard work. Pero over time, na-realize ko kung gusto natin ng tunay na pagbabago, it need to start from within. Saka loob-looban talaga. Kasi 95% of our actions come from the subconscious. Yung automatic beliefs, patterns, habits na hindi natin namamalayan. Kaya kahit may mga bagong goals, kung luma pa rin yung programming, babalik at babalik tayo dun sa mga dati nating mga nakagawian na. Dito sa space na to, I'll be sharing tools and insights to help you reprogram limiting beliefs and guide you through that paradigm shift mula survival mode papunta sa alignment and clarity. So, if you're ready to grow from the inside out, feel free to follow. This might be the shift na kailangan mo.